Very good morning to Madam Bella. My name is Muhammad James Rishad bin James Bungan. I'm from group number 7, and today my group and I will be presenting about Article 11, which is one of the fundamental liberties stated in the Federal Constitution. Now, our group consists of 6 people, including me. We have me, myself, James, Shah, Iskandar, Hani, Audrey, and Samira. So you might ask, what will you see in this presentation? Well, in this presentation, we'll be talking about we'll be giving a brief introduction on what is Article 11, and then we will go deeper into what Article 11 actually is, and then two case laws related to Article 11, and our opinion on this matter, and our suggestion on how to improve Article 11, and finally, our conclusion. So without wasting any time, we now begin my presentation. So for the introduction part, it is basically the overview or a brief insight on what this presentation is all about. Well, this presentation is specially prepared for the purpose of giving a thorough and comprehensive look into Article 11, which is one of the most prominent acts in the Federal Constitution, because it is considered as one of the most important fundamental liberties. So for the next part, I will pass it down to my team member. Thank you.
Hi Madam Bella, my name is Estefany and I will be explaining a short overview of Article 11. So, Article 11 gives the right to citizens of Malaysia to profess and practice their religion and subject to Clause 4 to propagate it. In Malaysia, there are several religions and all of them are allowed to practice their respective religion, but there are instances where a group of people become extremists and go against the law. Hence, from here onwards, we will be using the Federal Constitution and several cases of law, journal, and legislation to professionally explain what are the requirements for Article 11 and what can be contradict with it. So that's all from me, and I will be pass this to my other group member to explain what is Article 11. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Pratiksha. I am here to talk about Article 11. The freedom of religion is covered by Article 11 of Malaysia's Federal Constitution. It discusses national right to declare and practice their religion and talk about the concern of the religious education. Malaysia is noted for diversity of religion landscape, which includes, among other things, Islam, Buddhism, Hinduism, and Christianity. This article is a crucial component of the country's constitutional structure. Religion freedom. Everyone has the right to openly declare and practice their religion. State legislation has the authority to control or impose the restriction on the spread of any Muslim religious theory or beliefs. Religious instruction. Institution for religious instruction may be created and maintained by any religious community. Control over non-Muslim house of worships. According to the state legislation, people who practice Islam may not spread a certain religious theory or beliefs of Muslims' religious affair. In a country where Islamic law is effect, Yang Pertuan Di Agong, the king, serves as the supreme leader of the Islamic faith.
Hi, so here I am Audrey, going to talk about two cases of law that is related to Article 11, which is about the freedom to profess and practice religion. So first and foremost, the case is the case of Lina Joy and Majlis Agama Islam Wilayah Persekutuan that happened in 2007. The issue at hand was the conversion of a Malay Muslim woman named Lina Joy to Christianity and an attempt to have her change of religion officially recognized on an identity card. She sought to exercise a right under Article 11 to profess and practice a chosen religion, Christianity. However, the Islam authorities in Malaysia, citing Sharia law, refused to remove the Islam designation from an identity card without a certificate from the Sharia court confirming a conversion. Lina Joy's case sparked significant legal and religious controversy in Malaysia. The Federal Court of Malaysia ultimately ruled against Lina Joy, stating that matters of Islamic law, including conversion out of Islam, fell under the jurisdiction of the Sharia courts. The Federal Court of Malaysia ultimately ruled against Lina Joy, stating that matters of Islamic law, including the conversion of Islam, fell under the jurisdiction of the Sharia courts. This decision highlighted the complexities and challenges surrounding religious freedom in Malaysia, as it indicated that individuals who wish to convert from Islam may encounter difficulties and obstacles in doing so, even if they seek to exercise their rights under Article 11, as Malaysia practices a dual legal system where Sharia law and civil law coexist. The interpretation and application of Article 11 can vary depending on whether an individual is Muslim or non-Muslim. This case underscores the complexities of religious freedom and the conversion in Malaysia's legal landscape. Next, the case of Subhashini Rajasingham and Saravanan Tanguduri, 2008. In this case, the Federal Court of Malaysia addressed the issue of religious conversion and its impact on the right to profess and practice one's religion under Article 11. This case is significant in demonstrating the application of Article 11 and the provision related to religious freedom in Malaysia. Subhashini Rajasingham and Saravanan Tanguduri, a Hindu couple, got married under Hindu rites. Saravanan later converted to Islam without the knowledge and consent of Subhashini. Subhashini sought a declaration from the court that the husband's conversion to Islam did not dissolve their Hindu marriage. As a result, the federal court ruled in favor of Subhashini, emphasizing the right to religious freedom guaranteed under Article 11. The court held that while Article 11 recognizes the right to change one's religion, it also protects the right to profess and practice one's religion of birth. In this case, it was determined that Saravanan's conversion to Islam did not automatically dissolve their Hindu marriage, as he did not follow the proper legal procedures for conversion. The court recognized that the individuals have the right to convert to another religion, but they must do so in accordance with the law and respect the right of others to practice their religion. This case highlights the importance of respecting and upholding the right to profess and practice one's religion in Malaysia as guaranteed by Article 11 of Federal Constitution. It also underscores the need for legal processes and procedures to be followed where individuals choose to convert to another religion, while ensuring the protection of the rights of others. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Iskandar bin Ashmuddin, and I'm going to talk about my opinion in constitutional monarchy. We believe minor religion groups are given protection, as several agree that Article 11 is critical for protecting the right of religion minorities in Malaysia. It is to ensure that people of all faiths are able to practice their religion without fear of persecution or discrimination. That's all from my opinion, and I'm going to pass to my friends to present about suggestion.
I'm Samira. I'm here to present about the suggestion in Article 11. We suggest promoting religion freedom and diversity education and awareness. In example, government organization and religious organization and non-government organization can work together to provide educational programs that promote understanding and respect among other communities.
Which has been stated so far, we can conclude that Article 11, or in other words, the act that gives us the right to profess our religion, is somewhat important. Now, why is it important? Because the main purpose of it is to ensure everyone can live in harmony without being biased to another religion. For example, a Muslim family can live in harmony with a Christian family because they know that each religion teaches the same thing, which is to always be kind to people, to always be open to people. But it should be noted that it definitely gave a reason to cults and extremists to conduct their illegal activities. For instance, let us look into Malaysia, where there is this one prominent cult called Ayapin. Now, this Ayapin would use the sun, would use the water, would use the wind to show his followers that they should actually praise Mother Nature instead of God himself. So from here, we can see that it gave a reason to cults and extremists to conduct their illegal activities because they are confident that they are protected by this act. Hence, the act is often referred to when issue related to religion occurs. So that is all from us. Thank you for listening and have a good day.